Welcome students, welcome back. Myself Kukureja Rahul. In the previous session we have already seen the exercise 10.3, okay, of the all the sum of the that are related to the exercise 10.3, and also we have seen the theorems that are related to the exercise 10.3 and also 10.4. okay, for the exercise 10.4 there are the theorems, that is the from the center of the circle to the perpendicular to the chord, distance of the center of the circle to the chord, that are the equal if chords are equal. Okay, if chords are equal, then from the center of the circle to the chord the distance are equal. Okay, so that theorem that are important for the exercise 10.4, and one of the most important theorem, that is from the perpendicular to from the center of the circle, from the perpendicular to the center of the circle to the chord, that are the bisect the chord. Okay, so these two kind of the theorems we have to do in the exercise 10.4. okay, so let's start without wasting our time. So standard 9, we are learning about the standard 9. Name of the chapter, that is the circles. Okay, and exercise 10.4. clear that? So let's start with the question number 1 for the exercise 10.4, that is the two circles of radius 5 cm and 3 cm intersect of 2 point and M, and the diameter between the center is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. Okay, so for the common chord I have to first of all draw the figures. Okay, this is the bigger circle, and that have the radius 5 cm. okay, and 3 cm intersect at 2 point, and the diameter between the center is 4 cm. okay, so distance between that is 4 cm. So first of all, this is the circle, and now I'll draw the common chord. So first of all we have to draw, I'll draw the second circle, okay, which have a center on the, we have the center of the circle, another circle, and their distance is 4 centimeter. O and P, clear? And both of the circle are intersect at the point 2 point A and B, clear that? And the radius of the bigger circle, that is the 5 centimeter, and the radius of the smaller circle, that are the 3 centimeter. clear? So we need to find the length of the common chord, that is the length of the AB. okay, so in triangle OAP, okay, in triangle OAP, here in the given, that are the OP equal to 4 centimeter, AP equal to 3 centimeter, and OA is equal to 5 centimeter. clear that? So now we have to find length of chord AB. We have to find the length of the chord AB. okay, so solution, that is the from the theorem we know that from the center of the circle, to the chord, here we have to write that perpendicular from the center of the circle, perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord, that is the bisect the chord. So OP, that are the perpendicular to the AB. Okay, so that's why we have to write that OP is perpendicular to the AB. Okay, so AP is equal to PB, therefore PB is also equal to the 3 centimeter, therefore AB is equal to the 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 centimeter. Clear that? AB, that is 3 plus 3, 6 centimeter. Here you have to first of all write that is in triangle OAP, OP equal to 4 centimeter, OA equal to 5 centimeter, and AP, that are the 3 centimeter. So therefore OP square plus OA square, that is 4 square plus 5 square, that is 16 plus 25. Sorry, here my mistake, that is OP square plus AP square. Four square plus 3 square 9, 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9, that is total is equal to 25, and therefore OA square, that is also equal to the 5 square, that is also equal to 25. So therefore triangle OPA is a right angle triangle, therefore we have to take OP as perpendicular to the AB. Okay, here I'll write that rule. So first of all you have to note down this part, and after you have to move for this one. Clear that? So note down fast. Clear that? So now we are moving for the question number 2. Question number 2, that is, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that segment of the one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of the other chord. Okay, so here we have to draw the first of all circle, and I'll draw the chords of the circle that are intersect within the circle. So I'll give them as a B, C, D. Okay, and here my intersecting point, that is, I'll give them as a E. Where my center of the circle O. Clear that? So here we are writing that given AB and CD intersect at E, to prove that is segment of the one part, that is BE, is equal to the segment of the other part, that is CE. Okay, and both of the chords are also equal, so therefore I'll write also, that is also AB is equal to CD are also given. Okay, clear that? So let's start with the proof. So first of all, in the proof we have to construct the small things, that are the construct OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to the CD. Okay, ON perpendicular to the AB and ON perpendicular to the CD. So therefore we have to also write that from the center of the circle to the from the perpendicular to the center of the circle to the chord that are bisect the chord. So therefore we should to write that AM is equal to the MB and Cn is equal to the ND, that is from the theorem we don't have to need to write the name of theorem or the kind of the 10.1 and 10.2. okay, we don't need to write that, we have to just write that is from theorem. Okay, so now we have seen that here the two triangles are formed. First of all the triangle, that is OME and OND. Okay, so in triangle OME and triangle ONE. Okay, we are taking this as a equation 1 to help. Okay, so in triangle this OME and ONE, that is OM is equal to the ON because of the chords are equal, then distance from the center of the circle are equal. Distance from the center to the chord are equal. Clear that? So therefore OM that are equal to the ON because of the AB is equal to CD are given. Clear that? So now for the second thing, that is OE in both of them are common. OE that are the common, and one of the thing that is OME and ONE, both of them are 90. Angle OME is equal to angle ONE, both of them are 90. So by the RHS congruency rule, side 90 and hypotenuse, therefore by RHS congruency rule, triangle OME is congruent to triangle ONE. So therefore we should to write that by CPCT rule their corresponding part are equal, that are the ME is equal to the NE. Corresponding part of the triangle that are ME is equal to the NE. Clear that? Now AB is equal to CD, therefore AB that is divided into the two equal parts, that are the AM and MB. So I'll write the MB as a 2 time MB is equal to 2 time CN at here, okay. Because of the equation 1 we should also say that AB is equal to the 2 time MB, okay. AM and MB both of them are equal, okay. So therefore for the AB part of the MB that is the 2 time, okay. So I'll write it here, that is from equation 1. So I'll also that is from equation 1, okay. So 2 are cancelled out, therefore MB is equal to CN. Now this is my equation 2 and I'll subtract equation 2 from both sides. So therefore MB minus ME is equal to CN minus NE, okay. MB minus ME, that is BE, therefore BE is equal to the CN minus NE, that is CE. Clear that? Hence proved. Clear that? So please note down this first. Clear that? So now we are moving for the question number 3. Question number 3, that are the same as the question number 2, but in that we just need to prove that congruency rule. Okay, we have to just prove the congruency rule. Question number 3. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, same kind, okay, prove that the line joining the point of the intersection to the center makes equal angles with the chords. Okay, they are making equal chords with the equal angles with the chord. Okay, so here is the same kind of the figure we have to draw. AB and CD, both of them are equal chords. Given AB is equal to CD and intersect at E. Okay, we have to prove that from the center of the circle here my M and here my N. Here it says that from the center of the circle passing through the intersecting of two lines, okay, this line okay, that are make the equal angle at the center, that are makes the equal angle at the center. So we have to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. To prove, we need to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and let's start with the proof. Here we have to prove that with the same thing, that is, we have to follow first of all construct OM perpendicular to the AB and ON perpendicular to the CD. Therefore we know that in triangle OME, and triangle ONE, okay, that is OM is equal to the ON because of the chords are equal, so therefore from the center of the circle the distance to the chord that are also equal. So therefore I'll write that OM is equal to the ON. OE in both of them are common, and angle OME is equal to angle ONE, that are 90 degree. So therefore we should to write that by RHS congruency rule. Similarly previous one we are completing. So therefore by RHS congruency rule, triangle OME is congruent to triangle ONE. So therefore by CPCT rule, that is the corresponding part of the congruent triangle. Now these both of the triangle are congruent, so the corresponding part, that is angle 1 and angle 2, are the equal of that corresponding parts. So we have to write that angle 1 is equal to the angle 2. So therefore my thing that we have to prove that, okay, that is 1 and 2, they are proved. So I'll write hence proved. Here it says that clearly that from the line passing through the center of the circle to the intersecting point of the circle, so angle formed at this intersecting point of the chord, that are equal. Okay, we should to prove that angle forming at the intersecting two point, we have to prove that angles at the intersecting two chords at a point, then at that point the angles formed by the center, that are the equal. Okay, so that kind of the angles, that are the 1 and 2. Okay, so now please note down this. Clear, students? So students, I hope all of you are enjoying this class. Okay, so from next question number 4, 5 and 6, that are the most important questions and most interesting questions also. Okay, so that questions we are seeing. Okay, that question we have to see in the next session. Okay, so I hope all of you are enjoying this class, and if you have any query, please notify me. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.